Hello friend, welcome to this video. For quite a long time, I've been focused on the stressed skin or scratched skin on those airplane surfaces. This video is help you understand how to make it happen in your build. I hope you enjoy it. There will be a series of 3 clips. One is the tool introduction. Second one would be how to do the pre-shading. The third one is do the dry brushes. The practicing kit I choose is a very affordable old kit with raised panel line, raised rivet on the surfaces. Because of its forefront tricycle landing gear, a total weight of 3 ounce fishing weight has been added in order to balance it. And it's a routine that always have to cover those gaps, as well as adding a black layer as the base. In this video, I will introduce all kind of tools, paints, and thinner I've been using. Start with the airbrush guns. I adjust it whenever I need to make the airflow very soft. I will unscrew it when I paint a large area. Next will be the masking plate. You may tell that there are multiple locations has been cut corner because that I will have to fit it into different spaces. This piece is prepared for a large corner. Anyway, it will have to be flexible enough in order to meet the curving surface of the airplane. Personally, I prefer lacquer as the base, so I use black gloss as a first layer, and on the top that will be the dull aluminum. The lacquer thinner being in a dispenser and the coating. Next, I will introduce the oil color I've been using. This oil color will be used in the dry brushes process during the final touch of the airplane. These are the 3 colors I've been using. First is cream color, the white color. The third one will be AK aluminum color. In some areas, such as the button or the side, I will add it by the smoke color as well as the yellow color. Thank you for spending the past 3 minutes to watch this video. Next, I will introduce how to do the pre-shading as well as the dry brush process.